Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Miss Swan.
I'm going to do for you tonight a little bit of magic. Okay, you like magic? I learned how to do that in Las Vegas. Okay, I'm going to need somebody to help me with the magic. You want to come and help me? You. Come on. Come on. Bigger on the floor. What's your name?
Lindsay?
This is Lindsay, my new best friend. Okay, we don't know each other, no?
No.
Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is a magic trick, and then maybe if you're good, I'll tell you how I do it. Okay. Okay. Pick a card, any card. Oh, that's a good choice. Okay. Now show everybody the card, maybe. And the camera all can see. Ooh. It's a jackass bird. You, no. Oh, that takes a lot out of me, Swan, you know. Okay, instead of telling you how I do the trick, we're going to play a little poker. You know how to play poker?
Yes.
Oh, that's too bad. What you got to play with? How about the watch? Oh, that's a nice watch. Okay, here you cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, too bad. I win. It's going to be a good show. Welcome to my TV.